Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk you through 5 quick keto desserts. These are the quickest low-carb sweet treats that you could possibly make, and I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has all of the full recipes and everything that you'll need to make them, but I've got all the ingredients out here to talk you through. And also be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know your go-to quick keto dessert. So let's get into it really quickly, starting with strawberries and cream. I've got strawberries over here, whipped cream. You can whip it up yourself with cream over there, but I've got this lovely dairy cream here, so really one of my go-to sweet treats. Pop some strawberries, raspberries, blueberries or blackberries, a handful in a bowl, top it with whipped cream, and you've just got the perfect sweet treat, the perfect low-carb keto-friendly dessert that's just so easy. And next, hot chocolate. There are so many different ways to make a low-carb keto-friendly hot chocolate. My go-to way is to heat a cup of almond milk, and as soon as it's bubbling, take it off the heat, add in a row of my favorite LD dark chocolate, let it melt, whisk through, mix in a little bit of cream, and a hot chocolate dessert is all yours. You can add a little bit of whipped cream to the top as well if you want to for extra indulgence, final little swirl. But yeah, hot chocolate just makes really quick, easy, low-carb dessert. You don't need to wait around for anything. It's just so good. And next, mousse. There are so many different mousse recipes that are low-carb, keto-friendly. There's chocolate mousse. There's chocolate mousse with cream cheese. You can even just do a really simple mousse by whipping up some cream. Whip up some whipped cream, add a bit of cacao powder to it, a little bit of stevia, and you've just got a perfect chocolate mousse that's just beautiful. If you want extra indulgence, you can melt a bit of chocolate to mix through the whipped cream. You can add a bit of mascarpone or cream cheese. If you don't feel like chocolate but you want a light lemon dessert, you can skip the chocolate and you can again whip up your whipped cream, add a bit of stevia, add in the rind and the zest of lemon and a bit of lemon juice, and then either mascarpone or cream cheese, and you've got a lovely lemon dessert. You could also add swap in, instead of cream cheese or mascarpone, you could use ricotta, which I do as well. Whip up a bit of ricotta, a bit of cocoa powder, a bit of stevia, and you've got a lovely chocolatey dessert that's just super easy. You can pop it into the fridge if you want it to set, but you know, I'm quite happy just having it straight from the bowl. It's usually whipped and chocolatey and delicious and just light and lovely. And another go-to sweet treat of mine are shakes and smoothies. In the past, I've shared a lovely vanilla shake, strawberry shake. I've also shared a lovely chocolate milk, whipped chocolate milk dessert drink that is just super quick and easy to whip together. You could also make my favorite raspberry smoothie, which has some frozen berries in it, some mascarpone, almond milk, a bit of stevia. It's just the sweetest dessert. It's a beautiful way to have a sweet treat that's also good for you too. And finally, microwave desserts, some quick keto desserts that you can pop together in the microwave. A mug cake recipe I've got on my blog, a chocolate pudding, and also actually a hot chocolate you can make in the microwave. You just need cacao powder. I've got here my coconut flour and maybe a bit of stevia and an egg. I've got all the full recipe down below for you, so you can check out. But yeah, a quick mug cake in the microwave is a perfect the quickest keto dessert. But that's just talking you through my 5 go-to quick low-carb keto desserts. They're all, as you can tell, really quick, easy to put together. And check down below for the link to the blog post, which has all of the recipes I've mentioned and loads more. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know your go-to quick keto dessert. I look forward to reading your comments. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.